This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. Nestled on a corner lot in Katy, Texas, this 3-bed, 2-bath home offers modern living. The split floor plan seamlessly blends living, dining, and kitchen areas, ideal for entertaining. Equipped with appliances, including a washer/dryer, and featuring a sprinkler system and garage door opener, this home combines convenience with luxury. Don't miss your chance to make this dream home yours. Schedule a showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.